Hey, I was just going to show you real quick how to group your letters and everything together whenever it comes in kind of all in one piece, or excuse me, separate pieces. So anyways, here is your image that I have uploaded. So I'm just going to insert it. And then you want to, at this point, go ahead and resize it to, whatever makes it fit. You can use a template over here to find a t-shirt if that's what it's going on. And we'll just do a small. We're going to make it a black t-shirt to make it match what was in the graphic. I'm going to get rid of these lines because they're kind of annoying to me. So you can just click this box up here. That'll make the lines go away. We'll move that over here so we can see it. So you see over in here you have all the letters are separate. So what you're going to do is select that whole section. So they're grouped by word, but they are still in separate letters. So all you have to do is hit the attach button down here. That is not what I meant to do. So we're going to undo that. I didn't realize the entire thing is grouped. So you need to go in and ungroup it. And now you should be able to click on each section and click attach. So let me show you what that looks like if we go to the Make It screen. So right now you see all the hey batter batter, or the batter batters are all separated, but the hey is attached together. So that's what we want to see. So that's what it's doing for you. So if you just go back in here to that's one of the batters. So we'll attach it. And then down here at the other, we'll attach it. And now you have the strings. We are going to go ahead and attach those as well, and that way they come out in that exact layout. So you don't have to, they'll be put together, and so you don't have to place them separately. You can just place them at one time. So attach that. And then that should just leave your heart, which is just all in one piece as it is. So just so you can kind of see what that looks like. Zoom in a little bit. So if you move the strings out of the way, so that's what that will print out. It's going to print you holes, and then this will just lay right on top of it. So you're not overlapping your vinyl there. And so then when you go to make it, everything is in one word. And even better, what you can do, because let's get rid of these lines again. We're going to make all of this white because that is what it's going to be on the shirt if you are doing a black shirt. Obviously, you can change this to whatever color you want. Click that, change that white. So let's select all of this and we're going to drag it over here. We'll resize it to how we want here. So now the heart and then the hey batter batter are all the same color. So what you can do is actually go in here. We're going to select the first batter. We're going to hold down the control key. We're going to select the second batter. Hold down the control key again. Select the hey. And then we're going to select the heart. Basically, we're selecting everything but those red strings, and we're going to attach it as one. So now when you go to make it, it's all one big graphic. You don't have to individually place things. You can just cut this out, lay it on, iron it on, and then all you have to do is cut that out and weed it and lay it on and iron it on top of this. Obviously, just be super careful. Make sure your plastic is entirely covering the hey batter batter that you already have ironed on, because otherwise the iron will melt it. So I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions.